Welcome to the Accuson Redwood System Configuration online training course. This course will familiarize you with the Accuson Redwood Ultrasound System's configuration menu and how to create presets. Upon successful completion of this course, you will be able to navigate the system configuration menu and submenus, discuss the types of customized presets, and create and edit presets. Use the selection below to learn more about the configuration of the Accuson Redwood ultrasound system. Welcome to the System Configuration tutorial. The system configuration settings are used to modify factory default settings or to customize the current settings. To enter the System Configuration menu, select the Additional Selections icon, then select Configuration. The menu and submenu options are shown here. Select a main menu option on the image screen to expand the submenu options. The active selection is highlighted in gray and backlit in white. Additionally, you may select the Control Panel Settings tab on the touchscreen to adjust the brightness of the control panel lighting. Select Next to continue. The first main menu option is System Settings. When selected, the submenu options are displayed. The General submenu is shown here. To save changes made in the System Configuration menu, select the name of another menu option or exit the configuration menu settings by selecting Close on the right side of the imaging screen. In this section, the name of the healthcare institution can be added or deleted. Additional system settings by region, such as language options for the ultrasound system user interface screens, language characters for the touchscreen keyboard, date and time display format, and current date, time, and time zone may be changed. Changes made require a system restart. This section also configures the type of measurement units for height and weight in either the metric or non-metric measurement system. In this section, the audio beep can be enabled or disabled when an image or clip is stored, and the volume for the beep can be set at high, medium, or low. The default Doppler volume may also be configured here as well. Trackball speed may be adjusted. The default is medium. The user may also select which transducer port will be activated on system startup. Additionally, you may select whether a confirmation dialog window appears when system shutdown is selected. Select the Display submenu outlined in orange to continue. The Display submenu configures touchscreen and image screen settings. In this section, options for direct access to frequently used controls can be added to or removed from the two user-defined controls on the touchscreen. The available options are listed here. Monitor settings include the ability to enable or disable the screensaver, as well as the number of minutes before screensaver activation. You may also select how long the DGC curve display appears on the imaging screen. Many of the configuration menus contain a Restore Defaults icon. This may be selected to restore the system defaults for the selected page. Select the Patient submenu to continue. The Patient submenu contains two tabs, Patient Display and Patient Banner. From the Patient Display tab, you may select the option for the system to automatically capture an image of the patient registration information at the start of every exam. You may also choose whether the age or date of birth is used for registration. Patient data may be set to default to either a long form or a short form. The short form may be useful when only limited information is needed, such as an emergency department or during interventional procedures. The patient banner area allows the user to customize which fields are displayed on the imaging screen. The appearance of the banner may also be customized using the arrows which appear after two fields have been selected. Select the Review submenu to continue. The Review submenu allows the user to configure display settings for the review mode and slideshow. Clip Playback designates whether the system will play only active clips or simultaneous playback of multiple clips in the current study when in a 1x2 or 2x2 review mode. The slideshow options include the image duration and the number of replay loops. Select the Control Panel Settings menu to continue. The Control Panel Settings menu contains the Custom Keys submenu, which automatically opens. This area contains key direction and function settings for the zoom and depth focus controls. This area assigns the desired functions to the clip, image, and user-defined controls. This area assigns the default annotation mode activated when the ABC control is selected. The next menu area is Procedure Settings. This menu contains important settings related to presets. We will explore this area in the next module. Select the Imaging Settings menu to continue. Displayed here is the Exam submenu. These options are all configured by exam type. This area assigns a default function when the freeze button is pressed. Additional settings include seamless dual and dual behavior on freeze. This area allows the configuration of M mode and Doppler behavior, including Doppler scale units and auto trace options. The Auto TEQ for Doppler settings allow the selection of parameters that will be automatically optimized when the feature is selected. This area contains configurable options related to the Physio module, including lead types and auxiliary options. For more information, please refer to the Stress Echo course. Select the Soft Keys submenu to continue. The Soft Keys submenu allows the user to customize the appearance of the touchscreen in live and frozen states for all modes. This is the screen for 2D Live. We can use the pointer to select the color menu and then select the frozen state. Select an area to show the options available. Soft key selections can also be customized in this area. Select the Clip Store submenu to continue. Clip Store options can be configured by exam type. As shown here, the Clip Store type can be set to either prospective or retrospective. Additionally, the clip length can be customized by time, beat, or R-wave. Compression settings may also be configured to control the file size. Select the Measurement and Report menu to continue. This is the Measurement Configuration area. Here, the user may configure general settings for measurements, exam-specific touchscreen appearance, and report settings. For detailed information relating to this section, please refer to the Measurement Configuration course. Select the Annotations menu to continue. The Annotations menu contains submenus for text annotations, body markers, and arrows. For detailed information relating to annotation configuration, please refer to the Text, Body Markers, and Arrows course. Select the Features menu to continue. This is the Contrast submenu. This area allows configuration of clip store by exam type when in contrast mode. In the cardiac exam type, the clip capture can be set to either prospective or retrospective. Additionally, the clip length can be customized by time or beat. Compression settings may also be configured to control the file size. Select the Protocols submenu to continue. Protocols are customized and created here. For detailed information about protocols, please refer to the Workflow Protocols course. Select EC Left Heart to continue. Here, the user may select the first view that will be measured when utilizing the EC Left Heart measurement package. The software will detect the view plane in most cases. The user may also select the view plane during the exam from the touchscreen. Select the Stress Echo submenu to continue. This area allows the user to customize the various options available during a stress echo exam. This submenu includes two tabs, the Stress Echo tab and the Wall Motion Scoring tab. For detailed information about the customization of these options, please refer to the Stress Echo course. Select the Connectivity and Network menu to continue. The Export submenu allows the enablement of DICOM GSDF, which optimizes the image composition when displayed on a DICOM monitor. If the images will be viewed on an LCD monitor, this feature may be disabled. Additionally, the user can select whether to have an imprint of the patient information on each image. The Network and DICOM configuration submenus are located under the Connectivity and Network menu. For detailed information relating to these areas, please refer to the Connectivity course. Select the Peripheral Devices menu to continue. The foot switch settings may be configured in this area. The available functions for the foot switch pedals are shown here. Select the DVR submenu to continue. In order to utilize the software DVR, the function must be enabled here. Once selected, the default destination can be selected, along with the file naming options. Here, the user can enable the DVR to automatically start or stop video recording when an exam begins and ends. Select the Printer submenu to continue. In this area, a PC printer or USB printer can be installed. The manual provides instruction on how to install a printer. Additionally, the user may specify which device, if any, thumbnails are printed to. Select the System Management menu to continue. The Archive submenu contains options for managing the study history when studies are deleted. The first option deletes the archived study history after the study is deleted. The second option provides the user the option to manually delete the archived study history after the study is deleted. The last option saves the archived study history after the study is deleted. This area also controls whether the deleted studies are visible in the browser. The Data Export area enables the system to automatically copy a Showcase DICOM viewer to the selected destination when DICOM studies are exported. Select the System Information submenu to continue. The System Information submenu provides identifying information for the ultrasound system, including the system serial number and software version. When Detail is selected, additional information about the system is displayed. Select the Security submenu to continue. The Security submenu provides the security status of the features listed under Security Health Admin. A checkmark indicates an enabled feature, and an X indicates a disabled feature. This section is covered in more detail in the Connectivity course. Select the Service submenu to continue. The Service submenu provides local and remote access for authorized Siemens service representatives to troubleshoot and maintain the ultrasound system. This section provides options to install software, view service images and licenses, save service logs, export service images, as well as remote service functions. To create a backup of the system, select the backup icon. The system will then open the window shown here. Select the destination for the backup file. Enter a name for the file, and then select Backup. A message will appear indicating that the backup is in progress. To restore the system from a previously created backup file, select the Restore icon. Select the source from the drop-down menu. Then, select the file. The options for Restore are listed below the file name. The ultrasound specific area contains submenus that may be opened by clicking on the text. Select the appropriate options, then select Restore. Select Next to continue. You have completed the System Configuration module. Please select the Preset module to learn about creating presets on the Acuson Redwood ultrasound system. The Acuson Redwood ultrasound system allows the user to customize imaging parameters in two different types of presets, custom and user-defined. It is important to understand the differences between these two types of presets. Custom exam presets may share the same name across multiple transducers. For example, if an elbow custom exam preset is created from the MSK default, it may be customized on any compatible transducer. This type of preset is created in the System Configuration menu, and the parameters are edited on the touchscreen. The other type of preset is referred to as a user-defined preset. This preset is compatible with only one transducer and is created from the touchscreen. Select Next to learn how to build a custom exam preset. First, select the Additional Selections icon. Then, select Configuration. The preset selections are located under the Procedure Settings menu. Select the Imaging Configuration menu to continue. The Imaging Configuration submenu contains the custom exam presets and their associated transducers. This area also shows the designated default transducer for the exam preset. The system will automatically activate this transducer when the exam type is selected from the patient registration screen. The available transducers are listed here. Note that the general exam preset is available with all compatible transducers. Finally, the medical information page may be selected so that the appropriate information is displayed upon patient registration. Select Next to continue. Let's now create a preset together. In this scenario, we have a user who prefers the current abdomen setting when imaging kidneys. They would like a customized preset to perform difficult renal exams. They also prefer the 4v1 transducer in order to reduce rib shadowing artifact, but would like to be able to easily switch between the 5c1 and the 4v1 transducer. First, we will select the abdomen exam because the user prefers this preset. Notice that the system automatically populated a new exam name. Next, we will change the name of the preset to Renal Difficult, and then select Copy. The preset is now listed under the Exam Presets area. As they prefer the 4v1 to the 5c1 transducer for these exams, we will select the 4v1 under Transducers. Notice that the default transducer field now lists the 4v1 transducer. We can also specify that we want the urology medical information to populate when this exam is selected. Select the exam configuration to continue customizing this preset. Now that we have created our preset, we want to make sure that we associate it with the proper measurement package. To do this, select the Renal Difficult preset, and then select the Renal Measurement package. Remember that on the Accuson Redwood system, the measurement package is separate from the annotations package. The annotations are customized by preset in the Annotations menu. Select Transducer Configuration to continue. The Transducer Configuration menu allows the user to select the default exam for each transducer. It is important to first understand how exam presets are activated on the Accuson Redwood system. When a new transducer is selected, the system will default to the same exam on the activated transducer as shown here. In this example, the thyroid preset is active on the 10L4 transducer. When the 14L5 transducer is selected, the thyroid preset is automatically activated. Notice that the default exam for the 14L5 transducer is the breast preset. However, the system recognized that we were using the thyroid preset on the 10L4 and activated the required preset on the 14L5 transducer. However, if we select the 5C1 transducer, which does not have a thyroid preset, the system will automatically activate the configured default exam. In this case, the abdomen preset has been set as a default and is activated when the 5C1 transducer is selected. To select the default exam for a transducer, simply select the desired transducer, then select the exam. Select Next to continue. Exam presets may be hidden from either the imaging configuration or transducer configuration submenus. Next to the preset name is an icon shaped like an eye. You may hide presets that are backlit in white. If the presets are dithered out, it means that they are set as a default exam preset for certain transducers and may not be hidden. Notice that in this example, the 10L4 transducer is selected, and the arterial and venous settings are dithered out on this menu. If we look at the imaging configuration page, we see that this is the default transducer for these presets. On the imaging configuration page, the breast preset is dithered. This is because this is the default exam for both the 14L5 and 18L6 transducers. When an exam is hidden, the eye will be crossed out. Presets hidden in the imaging configuration menu will be hidden on all transducers, whereas the transducer configuration menu allows customization of selections per transducer. Select Next to continue. The other type of preset is referred to as a user-defined preset. This preset is compatible with only one transducer and is created from the touchscreen. To create a user-defined preset, select Add Exam from the touchscreen. This pop-up window will appear. Enter a name for the preset and select the measurement package and medical information required. Remember, the annotation package will be copied from the currently selected exam. However, this can then be customized in the Annotations menu in System Configuration. Select Add to complete the process. To edit either a user-defined preset or a custom exam preset, first activate the preset on the touchscreen and make the desired parameter modifications. Next, select the Transducer tab and then Edit Exam. When the pop-up window appears, ensure that the correct preset name is selected and select Overwrite. The system will save the changes under the preset. Select Next to continue. Congratulations! You have completed the preset module. Please close the window to continue. Congratulations! You have completed the Accuson Redwood System Configuration online training course. Listed below are the key points that have been presented. Navigate the System Configuration menu and submenus. Discuss the types of customized presets, and create and edit presets.